Hi guys, it's Lissa. Okay, so I got a really cool box today. This is Mila. Say hi. Look at her little bow. Is she precious? Is she precious? She's my 2-year-old Pomeranian. Oh, I love her so much. Anyway, so I got a box today. Let me just get comfortable because I'm picking a new spot and all right. Oh my God. So I think I've said before that I'm a writer. And so I ordered been looking for monthly subscriptions or quarterly, whatever, for writers. I found one, Scribbler. So there's a typewriter here. It says right on the box. And on it, all over the box, it has words. And way she have story into her phone. I'm guessing it's a story on there. I think it's a story of when they created this box. So I don't know much about it in terms of who created it, so we'll find out together. But I couldn't wait to open it because I just got it in the mail. And I didn't want to wait and research it because I wanted to be just as surprised as you. I'm sure there are some videos out there about it, but I'm doing my own. I cannot wait to see what's in here. I do a lot of unboxings, but this is one of my most exciting ones since I'm a writer. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness, look how pretty. So, okay, we have a card here and it says Scribbler on it for writers from writers. Okay, so that's something that, because they understand how we feel and what we do and the work that we put into writing a book and stuff, they're able to accommodate us and make us feel loved by what they put in this box. So it says Scribbler Writing Contest. So here I can jot down something. Jot down the themes that are or will be in your book, and we'll randomly select one winner to receive a bonus gift. I will be doing that. Look how cute this card is. Look at the art on this. It's a typewriter and it's colors. Love it, love it. Okay, so it has this, I call it grass, but it's like packing material, which I probably will use in the future. But anyway, it's really pretty. So let's start uncovering together what's in here. Oh my God, I'm so excited. What is this? Oh my God, it's candy. I'm all about chews. Chewy Fruities, Lemon and Raspberry by Tori Howard. Oh my God, okay. I just started Herbalife shakes. So this probably is not good for me, but I could do like maybe one a day or one every 3 days, right? I could do that. Get my little sweet in. All right, ooh, we have a pen. I remember these when I was in high school. It's like the multicolor pens and it's in one, all in one. So you open it, let's open it. It's made by Bic and it has 4 colors. I don't know why I always do that, 4, like a child. And it's one of those where you, let's see here. Look how cute this is. So this is navy blue, this is white, and you press down this and you write in that color. And when you press on the other one goes up. So this has black, red, blue, and purple. I never had purple. I always had green in mine. Love this. So far, so good. Let's see what else. Okay. Oh, it looks like a book. I'm hoping it's a journal. So it has, oh, it's like a nighttime beautiful sun and moon with gold. It's black. And this is made by Piccadilly. And PiccadillyInc.com to find this, and it is a journal. Oh, thank you writers to writers. It's a journal. And if you've watched previous videos of mine, I have journal video, which I have like 25 journals, and this is like a notebook form. Love it. Thank you. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Oh my God, so far so good. All right, so I heard that there's this thing called Writing Passport Themes, Volume 28, so May 2020. This is the May box, by the way. So I just joined. I didn't know about it before. I just started looking for boxes for fun, and I like getting little gifts and stuff, especially with this coronavirus thing. And I believe this one. Ooh, I wish I had that information. Videotaping with my phone, so I can't look it up. But I think it's 30 something. This box a month. You can skip a month, but. Anyway, it comes with this passport. Write for yourself first, the reader second. Scribbler founders Victoria and Lindsay. So they created this box. This passport has a typewriter on it. I love that. Old school. Writing passport themes. And so it has a word from the script from Scribbler, from the creators of Scribbler, and it gives it a little story there. So that's what it's about. So every box has one of these. It's what I love best about writing. The chances to grow and to understand are infinite. Sanya Yoerg. So you have quotes and little stories in here. I love this. And then it has all of the websites for Scribbler. So Instagram, Go Scribbler, @Go Scribbler. Twitter, same thing. Facebook, and the internet, of course. So that's how I found it, on the internet, because I was Googling subscription boxes. Oh, we have like a little thing in here. Also, oh, it looks like a little tattoo. Okay. I think it's right. Life. Little tattoo. So I have tattoos on my arms. I don't have real tattoos. This says no fear. I like to have words on my arms. I think I'm gonna get one, a real one, but I really do have fun using tattoos like this. So here you go. I have one. I got it off of Amazon, and it came with a bunch of packages. And I searched in the search engine on Amazon, temporary tattoos with words, inspirational words. I'm all about inspiration. So this one says no fear, and I change it all the time. So I may just continue to do that. I have fun with it. And here's another one I will use for writers. Okay, and that came in a little, okay, put it here so I don't lose it. Okay, so here's a card, and it says publishing process inside look. Ooh, okay. So this is gonna give you some information about publishing, what to do, and it gives you all of the information about what to do with publishing your book and what to look for. I will read that for sure. I think every box comes with a calendar, or this is not a calendar. Save the date, an exclusive chat with the bestseller Jessica Brody, June 17th. So it gives you information on other authors. And so it gives you inside scoop of when there will be around and where they will be. And obviously online, it's going to be virtual, I'm assuming. So that's pretty cool. And it gives you information about that author. And there's a card here. Amazon Publishing. This is an autograph from the author. And let me see something here. The author of this book. And that's what's in the box. So the box I'll put to the side. So every box, every month comes with a book. And here's her autograph. So Sanya Yoerg, she's the one that put the quote in the passport that I read. So this book is called Stories We Never Told by Sanya Yoerg, Washington Post best-selling author of True Places. You know, I hope to be on the bestseller list sometime, but this is really cool. It's a novel, and this is the back of it. Obsession Loves Company, and this is the front of it. And it's a paperback, and I think it has about 300 or so pages. So that's what it looks like. And I have, I'm going to read this book. So far, I really like this box. It even gave me a little candy. I got my 4-color pen, my notebook, an actual book from an author, her autograph, a tattoo, some inside scoop of how to publish your book, what to look for, a card for a contest, which I will be doing. And I really love this book and the little tattoo. So, and all of this, which I'll put in the box. Anyway, so that's the gist of what's in this box. Pretty much to accommodate, you know, to give us little gifts to writers and to inspire us and to get us going. I needed this push because I keep putting off my work. You know, we get insecure, or sometimes you get writer's block. And, or, you know, mine is true story, it's a fiction based on reality, my life. And quite a few things have happened in my life. And so I want to inspire through the negativity that I've gone through since I was little till like recently, unfortunately. The good news is that God helped me through everything, and I could not have gotten through it or become a positive person without God. And so it's kind of about how I got out of it. You can get out of any situation. You just need to pray. It's not always easy. It won't be easy. It took me forever. I'm 52. I'm just kind of like starting my life and realizing who I am and figuring out things about myself now. And it's never too late. Never too late for anything. For anything. I even post videos about toys because I love toys and dolls. Never too late to enjoy dolls and toys. You're never too old for anything either. I went to college 2 years ago. I had an associate's degree when I was younger, you know, the normal 18-year-old age, but at 51, 49, I think, something like that. I got my associate's degree in Christian counseling. So I may continue, get my bachelor's, but for right now, that's what I wanted, that's what I needed, and it's never too late to accomplish anything in your life. So, and that's it. So I love Scribbler. I'm going to, I don't know if there's any other boxes out there for writers, let me know. But so far, I do like this and I will continue to get it. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.